Hey man, it's Marcus Alia, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So today's video, we have a Big Sean merch review. And if y'all know anything about Big Sean, he has not dropped merch in a long time. Like, he's done collabs with, I know, Babe. I think he has some Adidas collabs and stuff like that. But when it comes to just dropping merch, he has not dropped stuff in a minute. So I'm actually very excited. I'm hoping that it is heat, man. So you already know, I'm not too sure on the resale predictions, but we're just gonna go ahead and get a look at it. Maybe it's good, maybe it's not, we'll see. And for those of you guys who are looking for a good chance to resell, start putting some money to the side, because there is rumored to be a V-Loan X TK drop like soon. I'm hoping it's sometime in mid-September, because if it is, bro, I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna do like a huge like buyout video, because I will be reselling those pieces. So if you have not already, make sure that you go and follow my resale page at _easy resell. Yeah, but I'm literally gonna do like a huge buyout. It'll be anywhere from like $500 to like $1,500. Some range in between there. I'm gonna be buying out pieces, a whole lot of pieces. So you guys stay tuned for that. Alright, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Again, I want to thank you guys for, we just hit 2K recently, and we already gained like over 50 subscribers since then, which is crazy. So continue to support, continue to subscribe, and if you're not already, make sure you smash up that like button. We need 100 likes for this freaking video. Anyways, let me pull out that laptop, let's get it started. Alright, so you guys already know how this section goes. I got my laptop right over here. We're gonna go ahead and take a look. I'm hoping that it's heat, man. I haven't seen, like literally, I have not seen Big Sean merch in a freaking while. And I'm actually excited for it. He's a big artist. I know he hasn't been dropping too much music, so I don't know how the resale will be. But it's Big Sean, so it's like, you know, people will buy it, especially like the fees, size smalls. Also, it seems to be small. Let's go ahead. We're gonna take a look at this one, Detroit 2. You got some embroidered pieces. Okay, I messed with that, but let's see the full apparel list. Outerwear, accessories. Okay, so this is it. It looks like it's probably gonna be exclusive. We got a few pieces. So the first thing that we got is right over here. We have the Detroit 2 tote plus digital album. So we got right over here. Let's see, I think they're embroidered. Nah, they're screen printed designs over there. And then obviously, this is what the download is going to be. All right, I'm messing with it. It's cool, it's straight. We don't got too many pieces up here, of course. Okay, and then now we got the mask. Let's see what it says. It says the days are getting shorter. All right, $20. All right, now I guess I think this is just this is giving me the Post Malone vibes, but I do like the graphics a little bit better. Okay, so just got a few pieces just to go straight with the merch. I mean, not go straight with the merch, go straight with the freaking collection or the album drop. Yeah, it's kind of live. It got a little glow to it. Oh, it says embroidered design on adjustable black checker jet. This will be a very tough embroidered design. Okay, $25 for this. Y'all know how I am with the embroidered pieces. We're gonna, okay. Oh, okay. Let's take a look at this one first. Okay, so we have the Detroit 2 airbrush tee. And it says, okay, unisex, black tee, screen printed front, black with airbrush style design. I feel like copping maybe one or two of these would actually be a safe bet. Like, no cap. Like, just based off, like, I kind of like it. I like the design. And for $25, you really can't beat that price. I really feel like you can easily make it go for $50. Just for people that are actual Big Sean fans, like, they'll copy. Okay, so, and then we have this one over here. Yeah. It's that embroidered price kicking in, because if we look at the last piece, you see that 25. Things that are embroidered, they always go for more, just because they cost more to manufacture. Okay, so we got the Detroit 2 embroidered drummer tee. Okay, so unisex black tee, screen printed logo with embroidered drummers on the front. Okay, so that's gonna be small. I feel like it looks bigger on this, but I feel like it's gonna be small. Actually, no, this is tough. This is hard, bro. What the heck? That's hard. Like, I want this for myself. That's tough. Got a nice screen printed design on the back, the front. Because I'm glad they added this third picture right here. I definitely feel like you can resell this, bruh. Definitely. Maybe, I mean, this one's cool and stuff, but it might be a little bit harder. I mean, it's tough, bruh. Because I feel like for this piece right over here, I feel like you could possibly get away with, like, selling it for, like, 50 might be tough. 50, 60 might be tough, but you would have to put it at that price to, you know, make yourself some profit. Whereas for this one, it's a nice one, it's embroidered. And based off that price, I wouldn't try to get anything less than 80, probably 90, you know what I'm saying? But it's a nice piece, bro. Nice, simple. The embroidery is what got me, bro. Like, look at this detail, bro. It's like you can literally touch it. This is literally what it's gonna look like when you get your hands on it, which is crazy, crazy hard. I'm messing with that for sure. Let's look at this last piece. I actually like this. I like it a lot. Okay, so Detroit 2 embroidered drummer hoodie. Again, it's the same thing, but it's in a hoodie form. That's hard as well. Most definitely can resell this. Easy. Easy, bruh. Easy. Might not be able to go for as high, but I feel like you could maybe get away with asking for $100 for this hoodie. I would definitely take my chances on this. So, as you can see, it seems like this is going to be his album. It's going to drop on the 4th. So you probably have up until then to go ahead and cop this one. But then again, it's just like with the V-Loan drop coming, I wouldn't put too much money into this. This one is probably, yeah, it depends, bro. Like, this is a hard piece. Like, I want it for myself. But it really just depends. It's September 4th, so about a week. Items are also available for separate purchase. We're going to look at the prices for these individually. I like it, bro. I like it. The album, these designs I like. Obviously, I don't really think you can get away with selling these two, but anything on this first row. Ideally for me, these are the two pieces that I would focus on. Mainly this shirt, like literally. But I like it. I like it. I definitely would try to get it for myself. Let me see what the prices are gonna look like for it by itself. Cause yeah, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. I mean, these are better prices. What? What? There's no way. Oh, okay. I'm out here tweaking. I'm just like, okay. Alright, this is better price. Get rid of the digital download. Dang. 5 to 6 weeks. You can expect it in about a month. How about this one? 5 to 6 weeks. This is tough. It's actually tough. I am not going to lie. I'll definitely take my chances on that. Like buying both of them for about 100. Yeah. Most definitely. So you guys already know how I feel about it. These two pieces right here, I feel like you could possibly double. Especially if his album is good. If his album is really good and brings a lot of attention to him, you can expect to resell this for a minute. So let me go ahead and you guys already know, like, those two pieces are my favorite. Alright guys, so yes, most definitely. Based off the looks of it, I really do feel like this can be like a nice resale opportunity. And the reason why I say it is because from the looks of it, it does not look like Big Sean keeps his merch and whatnot up for too long. And if that is the case, the quality of the pieces, I really feel like it's a piece that not only will you be able to sell right away, I feel like you can also sit and hold on it, especially if his album starts to get a lot of traction and whatnot, and brings a lot of buzz back to his name and whatnot. It can, like, people will start searching it up, like, oh shoot, he got some merch, oh it's sold out, where else can I go ahead and buy it? So I do feel like it is, or it will possibly be, a very good opportunity. Ideally, if the money comes in, I will go ahead and probably buy like a couple of the pieces. Like I'll probably buy that hoodie that I pointed out, this shirt. I'll probably buy 2 of the shirts just so I can keep one for the personal collection. Because to be honest, I love embroidered stuff, and I feel like this is pretty nice, good quality piece. So I'll take my chances with it, and then I'll resell like the other 2. So that is like my plan. I feel like it's gonna work out. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and take my chances on that. I feel like you guys should maybe, but the only thing is that V-Loan drop creeping around the corner. It could drop any day now. It's just like, bro, I wouldn't suggest you guys spending too much bread on it, but for like the cool casual drip personal, $40 for that embroidered piece, $20 for the other one. Easy cops, go for it. Anyways, guys, I got 2 questions for you guys. 1, are you copying? Okay, and 2, do you agree with my resale predictions, or you just think like, nah, Chris, it's not gonna fly like that? Also, guys, if you have not already, man, make sure you smash that like button. I need 100 likes on this video, and if you're new to this channel, man, what are you waiting for? You gotta subscribe to this channel. It's rolled to 10,000 subscribers. Let's go ahead and try to get that soon. But anyways, support Chris Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and O and that 29. 9. I got AK with the scores and 9.